Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Hello guys, welcome again. In this video we are going to learn how we can use filter higher order function in JavaScript. In previous video we have seen the use of map and reduce and sort function. Those functions are also called higher order function and they are very beneficial also. Sometimes we require such kind of functions. So in this video we are going to learn the use of filter. So of course we will use the filter for array. So we have a data and in this data I have array information like this, and I want to filter some information from this array. So what I do, I just do console.log and I say data.filter. It's very easy, and I pass here the arrow function, and in this arrow function I say the x value is greater than 50. So you see that conditionally I just say if any value present in this array is greater than 50, display only those. And you see we have the greater than 50 value here. If I do opposite, I say less than 50, so just one line symbol I have to change, and I run it and it will change. It will display less than 50. So anything I can do with this value. So if I say the value less than 50 and I say greater than and x is greater than, and I say it should be 20, and I say run it. You see 12 is not coming, and if I say greater than 40, so you see only one value is there, 43, it will come a 43. So anything I can do here. Not only that, if I have some bigger data, like I have information like this, and here I have some more information, I say L value, L name means I say F name, your first name equal to, I say Dr. Vipin, and I say last value or last name, I say Kumar, and I say here one more thing, I can say roll number, or I can say ID, anything I can give any number just to match this, and I just repeat this information number of time like this, and I change the name here, Dr. Ashok Dr. Arun, Dr. Ankit. So like this I can do anything, and I can change the ID also. I say ID number 100 and I say ID number 80 like this. So I can filter this one also. I say console.log like this, and I say info.filter, and here I pass again the value x, and I say x.id is greater than the 50 like this. So now if I run it, you see the information is coming, all the information is coming, those have a ID greater than 80. If I say the ID is less than 50, it is also coming. So not only for such kind of simple array, it work on such kind of complicated array, the array which have a object inside. That means if we have a JSON information, because you know that JSON information is like this, we have a array, object, object, array. So if we have a JSON information also, and we want to do some manipulation on data, we want to filter some data, and we want to do some data science and data analytics operations on array, so we can do easily by using filter. It's a very useful functionality available in JavaScript, and in many interview also this such kind of information is asked. What is the filter, how we can use filter, what is the map, what is the reduce, what is the use of sort. So all I have explained in my previous video, and such filter is also useful. So I thought I should make some unique video on the separate video on filter. So I have explained you that how you can use the filter on array, and how you can use the filter on you can say the JSON type of array, JSON information that is available. So such kind of things you can do. And that's all in this video. If you really like this video, kindly share my video, like my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.